Hello guys and welcome back. So in this lecture I will explain structure reference in Excel table. Guys, structure reference is nothing but a combination of table and column names. It's called structure reference. Okay, now I will show you practically how exactly this structure reference will works in Excel. So go to Excel sheet. So this is my Excel sheet. In this Excel sheet I have maintained two types data. One is range reference data, another one is structure reference data. So here range reference means it takes only cell references. Let's suppose if you want to calculate total sum of the sales value, okay, so use some function. If I select all these cell ranges, it will give cell references, okay, and get the total. Okay, if I apply same function in table data, see here, select all this data, see it will give table name along with column names. It will not take cell references, it will directly take table references along with column references. Both will get same. Okay, and also what is the benefit for structure reference is if I add any data to in this particular table, automatically table get expand. Let's suppose if I add this data to this table, see automatically table get expand. Okay, and also it will generate total sales value automatically. And also if you expand this table, formula is also expand. Okay, formula is not break anywhere. If you apply same thing in this particular data, I will paste new data to in this particular table, select this data, copy and paste it over here. See, total is not updated and also data is not expand. This table is not expand because this is a normal range. Okay, that is the one of the feature available in structure references. And also if you add any data to this normal range table, automatically that formula will break. When it comes to table references, it is not break anywhere for formula. Okay, so that is the major benefit for normal range and structure references in Excel tables. Okay.